Hi everyone. In this quick Excel tutorial, I will show you how to get summary statistics in Excel using a built-in feature called the Analysis ToolPak. This will help you easily understand your data like averages, standard deviation, and more. Now on the screen, you can see a sample dataset in Excel. We will find out the summary and properties of this dataset. First, let's enable the Analysis ToolPak if it's not already active. To check if it's already active or not, click on the Data tab and see if there is any option like Data Analysis on the right side. For me, it's showing active because I already made it active. If you do not get this option, follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Click on the File tab, then go to Options. From there, select Add-ins. Now at the bottom, choose Excel Add-ins from the drop-down and click Go. Now check the box that says Analysis ToolPak and click OK. Now it's enabled. Go to Data tab and you will see the option called Data Analysis on the right side. Now let's apply this to the sample dataset we have in Excel. In our sample dataset, we have columns for city, selling price, size, and number of bedrooms. Now click on the Data tab, then click on Data Analysis, then select the Descriptive Statistics from the list and hit OK. Now select your data range. For example, I'm going to select, for me it's B1 to D10. Make sure to check labels in first row if your data has headers. Then choose an output cell where you want to display the results. For example, I want to see the results in the cell F1. Now tick the box that says Summary Statistics. You can also check options like confidence level for min, or the kth largest, or the kth smallest if you want more insights. I want all these insights. That's why I'm checking all these options. Now click OK. You can see Excel has generated a full set of descriptive statistics including min, median, mode, range, standard deviation, and more. And that's it. This is the easiest way to get descriptive statistics, or in other words, summary and properties of a dataset in Excel without using any formulas. If you found this Excel tip helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.